If the Wi-Fi connection keeps dropping on a high-end device like the Galaxy S10 Plus, then it could be a sign of a firmware problem, unless there are signs of physical damage. However, there are also times when this kind of problem is due to a hardware issue. Hey guys, I'm Harold from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix your Galaxy S10 Plus that keeps dropping its Wi-Fi connection. First solution: force restart your Galaxy S10 Plus. When troubleshooting a possible firmware issue, it's best to begin the whole process doing the forced reboot, as it may save you from all the troubles of doing all other procedures. The thing is, when it comes to minor firmware problems, the forced restart is the most effective solution, as it refreshes your phone's memory, as well as reload all its apps and services. To do this, press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them both for 15 seconds or more. Your phone will continue the boot process until it reaches the lock screen. Once your phone has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem still occurs. Second solution: power cycle your network device. Assuming that you're connecting to your own network, then the next thing you have to do is to refresh the connection, by restarting your modem or router. Unplug your modem or router from the wall outlet, or disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave the network device without power for a minute or two. Plug the router into the wall outlet, or reconnect the power cord. Wait for it to broadcast the signal, or become online. Let your phone reconnect to the network. Third solution: reset network settings on your device. Resetting the network settings will refresh the connection between your phone and your router. When it comes to network-related problems, this procedure often fixes them. It also addresses other network issues. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Scroll to, and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. If the problem persists after this, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution: back up your files and reset your phone. A master reset will fix this problem provided it's not a hardware issue. However, we're always hesitant to suggest this without exhausting all possible solutions, as you may lose some important files and data. At this point though, you don't have a choice but to do it. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been able to help you. Please subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Droid Guy. Thanks for watching.